I am Doriel Gill-Skinner. Chairperson of the St. Michael Northwest District Emergency Organization. Our duty under the DEM we are the eyes and ears of the community. We involve the community at the level of training in damage assessment, first aid, the safe use of the chainsaw, and many other disciplines. We are in the district on Saturdays. We investigate canals, wells, and any trees that needs to be trimmed. And we report back to the drainage division. Our task here is to sensitize the public on the hazards that are related to hurricane season.